Hi, I told you I'm going to share this product with you. Like, if you love tech, telling stories, if you like investing in memories, this is for you actually. And it's not like I'm selling it, but I want to share the product with you. But if you like it, it's just for 5 people. The first 5 people to like pay. I'm not going beyond 5, and people know me. I'm not going beyond 5. The first 5 people that will pay, I would help them get that. And trust me, if you're going through the long process, it's going to cost you more. So I'm so excited to share this with you. Honestly, let's just hang on. Okay, ta-da-da. I already have it here. I know some of you are like talking about getting ring lights, how it's so bulky, and then how the very expensive ones have battery inside, but the ones that are quite affordable, maybe from 35,000 naira upwards, you have to like plug it to a direct power supply so that you'll be able to use it. Someone like me, I have one of it. I have one of it, but then this is a game changer. So this is a selfie stick, but it has so many tweaks inside. So I'm going to be unboxing this with you. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, let me see. Okay, so you see how short it is, so that you know what we are exploring. The kind of thing I have here. Oh, nothing is here. Okay, so this a little manual, but don't worry, I'll just walk you through it. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, is there another thing here? Okay, sorry, we have a USB charger. Okay, so this is the selfie stick. First of all, this selfie stick has a tripod stand, and see, right? That's the tweaky. And then let's leave the tripod stand now. I'll show you the lens later. Okay, so the one good thing about it is that it came with lights, sorry. And you charge the lights, so, and they're detachable, so you can detach the lights. So let's see what these lights can do. I've already charged the lights. I just got it today, so see the lights. Let me put on the other one. So you can see the lights, right? And this light has different colors, do you see, and different intensities. This white, this like day light, do you see the same thing? So when you want to use it, you can even tweak it. You can tweak it, like give it a tweak. Like I'm making this video without any, it's not a selfie stick thing. I'm not using any ring light, so because I wanted to like explore this. So let's switch off this. I would show you what the video looks like later. So this detachable light, you can decide to use one or not. Then this is a 360 degrees rotatory phone hood. So you see there is, let's see it here. You open it and open it, and then you can put it there. Then you can rotate it. Those that use ring lights understand what this really means. So it means that you can take any angle and it will still hold it. All right, good and fine. So how do we control our phone when we want to like take pictures? So simple. You see here, this is the trick. This is the remote. How can such a small thing have so many cool features? Okay, so the remote is here. I can't do that because I can't show you. I've tried it. Yes, I've tried it. So this is a wireless remote. When you switch on, when you on it, we switch on the button. You would connect it to you. You can link it to your Bluetooth device, and then you can like take pictures with it. So now let's check the hat. So I'm standing. I don't know if you can see it. People that know selfie, I don't know if you can see it. People that know selfie, okay, let's do like this. Can you see it? Like where I placed it? People that really know selfie sticks knows that this is a bomb. Like the height is a bomb. So what are you waiting for? See? Okay, so let's. I promise I'm going to. I think that's the whole feature. For now, you can do this. You can even rotate the main head. You can rotate the main head. So to take it back, it's so simple. Just close it, but then you don't have to like close it completely. You have to slide in the remote, then voila. So let's see the effect of this light. You know, sometimes the light is the bump, lighting is the bump. So for me that have tripod, I'm using tripod for my ring light to make this video. So for me that have tripod and I really want to like add a special effect to my videos, because okay, all right. So I did two different effects here. I selected two different effects here, and it's sweet. It's sweet. Then I can decide not to. Let me change it so that it can be the same effect. Okay, this the same effect. Do you see how it is like? This is how it is like, guys. This is great. Imagine that I'm making video. See how clear it is. So because it's not as tall as, see how it is, right? It's not as tall as I am. I can easily place it on a stool and adjust it. Let's watch. So I can place it on a stool and adjust it. So I use someone that really takes you take nature seriously, or your journey seriously, or you're kind of person that documents where you go. See, it's lightweight. It's lightweight. See, people that know me knows I don't like stress. If you know me very well as your friend, I don't like stress. So see, this is a bomb. A bomb. How much does ring lights cost now? 35k. If it's a really good one, from 35k upwards. But this, it's an investment of life. It can enter your, okay, let me get my son's storybook and then show you how it is. Okay, so this my baby storybook. Imagine, do you see it? So it can pretty enter in, it can fit in any bag. I don't want too much story. So what you're going to be doing for me is that for this, if you really want this and you want to get it from me, the investment for this is 18,000 naira. Okay, before it was 20, but I just reduced it to 18,000 naira. Go and check it and try buying, right? 18,000 naira is a good investment for anything. For this, do you see this? A good investment, because even you can remove this and you can really work on it, like repair it, and you can get this too. So it's not a waste of your investment. It's not. See, it's detachable. It's never a waste of investment. Come to my DM, the first 5 people. See, I am not marketing it for them, right? I just want to help people, because I said soft life, affordable soft life. So one thing I recommend for people is things that I use. If I see it and it's very, very wonderful, I come to my WhatsApp and I share. Things I don't want to share on WhatsApp, I call my close friends and they get it, because I want everybody to have soft life, so that day you don't have lights and you want to speak in a Zoom meeting. It's not that you don't have any alternative. See, alternative. This will serve you. It will really serve you. Come to my dear. Pay 18,000 shikini. You have it. You would have this. All right. Bye. Thank you for coming. If I have any product that I think is cool, that maybe I got and I think is cool, I will share it with you. I'll share it with you.